Hi, I'm going to show you how to create an album, but more importantly, turn in your photos properly for this class. So you need to be logged in to the correct account. Again, sometimes students are logged in on their Chromebook to a different account than on their phone, and using Google Photos won't connect if it's two different accounts. So making sure that they are synced properly and downloading to the same account is very essential. Then you need to, I'm going to switch over to my son's account here so I can show you from a student view. Then you need to access Google Photos. I clicked on my apps, Google Photos. If you did already sync them together, your Google Photos on your phone with your computer, you would see the same thing. If I clicked on Google Photos, I would see the same photos that are on my screen here. And I just randomly brought in a few photos to my son's account. So these aren't necessarily applicable to the photo shoot that you're turning in right now, but I want to show you how to create an album and turn in that link properly. So right now, these are just the photos that are in there, and I'm in general photos. This is all the photos that you would have completely. If I click on albums, it would be any albums that you've created. You can do this directly on your phone as well. There's nothing in this account, but my other demo that I showed you has all of mine, and you can see how it organizes it, which Google Photos is really good at doing. So you click on albums, and you're going to create an album. Usually there's a big plus sign if there's actual photos, and you're going to title it the photo shoot that you're turning in. For this example, I'll just say scavenger hunt. And then I'm going to add photos. Let's say I'm going to add my 20 photos for scavenger hunt, 10 for all the other photo shoots. I'm just going to randomly click on a few here. They do not actually apply. These are just random examples. And I would click done. I've selected the ones I wanted. They go into that album. You can also do this on your phone the same way. And I've created an album currently with 4 photos. So right now it's just only for me to view. I haven't shared it in any way. Students often want to copy this URL up top. Do not do that. It will not work. It is not the same thing. You actually need to use the share icon, which is this kind of triangular shape, arrow shape, share, and that's where you create a link. Create the link. That's what we copy. Let's go back to this. Copy that link. There we go. I've copied it twice now, but I've copied the link. And then I'm going to go over and turn it in properly, which is, again, go to our Google Classroom, click on classwork, find the assignment that you're turning in. In this case, I've set it up to be, pretend, scavenger hunt photo shoot. So I would click on the scavenger hunt photo shoot. I would view the assignment. And this is the spot where you turn in your work up in the top right. You're adding your link. So I'm adding a link. And that's what I paste. Control V or edit paste, however you want to paste it, and add link. You'll notice it pops up in the top right hand corner after it thinks about it for a second. Yes, it's saying, hey, you need to turn it in. Right here, I can actually see that there's photos there. That is one way to verify you've done this correctly. If you just see an empty link and just a white kind of screen, that's not showing me photos. What I would see nothing. So you can test that it actually works by clicking on it right there before you actually turn in, and then you would hit turn in and turn in, and then you've submitted that photo shoot. From the teacher view, I'm going to refresh this and go back to my teacher view. That one that I just turned in, here's I can see the student, and then I would see all of yours that you've turned in. This is just one pretend student right now. And I can see the photos even before I click on it. And if I click on it, there's no sharing issues. There it is, and I can see those photos. And again, there's no sharing related link issues with Google Photos, which is why I love it so much. So as long as you use this icon here to create your link, that one right there, create your link that way and copy it, you're good to go. That's what gets turned in.